Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are showing two types of Arani pattu sarees. The first model you are seeing is having a double border with plus and minus type small designs running all over the body part, along with a contrast pallu and blouse. This material is very soft and comfortable to wear, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 550 rupees, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number, or you can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. The second model is having a checked body with small zari woven borders, along with a contrast pallu and blouse. Hope you like the collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated collections. Thank you.